Alright guys, take a look at this. Do you believe this is oats? On this video, I'll show you guys how I made chin chin using oats. So if you're interested, keep watching. I am starting off by grinding my oats. If you already have grinded oats, feel free to make use of it. So I'll just put it in my grinder and grind it very smooth. You know your girl says she like to try new things. I was just on my own, scrolling my Facebook page, and this video went past my timeline. I was like, okay, I always get oats for house. Let me try it. So once I'm done grinding the oats, next I'm going to be grinding dates. I'm going to use dates in replace of sugar. I said this year I go try it healthy. So I'll use fresh milk to grind the dates. So if you have water, you can use water. It is okay. Grind your date until it's very smooth, and you can also use sugar as well if you prefer. Next, I'm going to be adding baking soda on it. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the oats, and then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Next, I am going to be adding the dates I grinded. Then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Honestly, if you are tired of eating flour, why not join the train? Like, it's just so amazing what you can achieve just using oats. So this is really good option in replacement of flour. Next, I added 1 tablespoon of butter, and then I'm going to mix it again. So at this point, if you have egg, you can add 1 egg on it. So I no get egg for house, but I say this video must go on. So I mix it up nicely just like this. So if the butter you added is too small, you can add a little bit of water on it. So next, I'm going to be using this baking paper. Next, I'm going to place the oat on top of it because I don't want it to stick. That is why I am using the baking paper. But if you don't have baking paper, you can also reserve some oats that you spray on a flat surface before you flatten it like this. It's still going to come out nice. Alright guys, if you find this video interesting, please help me to share this video so that it gets to more people. So I'm going to cut off the part that are rough and then take them out. Next, I'm going to cut the sizes I want it to be. So once I'm done cutting it, I'm going to put it in the oven. You can use air fryer if you have air fryer, and you can also use your pot to bake. Do you know you can use your pot to bake? If you want a video about that, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be making a separate video on how to bake using your pot instead of oven. So once I'm done cutting it like this, next, I am going to place it in my baking tray, and then I bake this for about 10 minutes because I already set my oven before I started making this thing. So guys, after 10 minutes, this is how it looks. It really came out nice. If I don't tell you this is oats, you will not know it is oats. Are you going to be trying this? Let me know in the comment section.